This video tutorial I will explain getDisplayName method of TimeZone class, which accept daylight and style. Daylight can be true or false. True means daylight saving time. False means standard time. Style can be long or short. Here I have defined the class TimeZone demo. Here I am getting TimeZone object by calling getDefault method of TimeZone class. Then I am calling getDisplayName method of TimeZone object and passing daylight as true and style as long. And we got display name. Here I am calling getDisplayName method of TimeZone object and passing daylight as true and style as short. And we got display name. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.